The Intellicheck3 is the new Scully overfill prevention control unit for tank trucks and trailers. It offers compatibility with both 2-wire parallel and 5-wire series optic sensor wiring, as well as enhanced programming and diagnostics. These instructions will assist you in the initial programming for the number of compartments, as well as connecting the overfill sensors to the module. Programming the number of compartments for 2-wire parallel sensors. Scully provides a printed Intellicheck3 Quick Start Guide and jumper wire with each Intellicheck3 control unit. The only additional items required to complete the programming and wiring for the module are a small regular screwdriver and multimeter. The procedure assumes that you have installed the Intellicheck3 control unit on the tank trailer and are ready to apply power to the unit. For safety reasons, the Intellicheck3 can only be programmed a certain number of times in the field. Call Scully Technical Service Department at 1-800-272-8559 for details. Prior to supplying the power to the Intellicheck3 module at TB1, you need to ensure you have the proper voltage. Using a multimeter, set the dial to DC voltage. Make sure the power wire is not connected to the tank chassis. Turn on the power and touch the black lead of your multimeter to the black ground wire. Connect the red lead of your multimeter to the red power wire. The proper DC voltage range is 11.5 to 32 volts. If the voltage is not in this range, correct the voltage before proceeding. If the voltage falls in this range, then turn the power off and connect the black wire to pin 2 of TB1 ground and the red wire to pin 1 of TB1. Ensure sensor wiring is removed. Now we will program the Intellicheck3 module. Attach a jumper wire from TB4 ground to the overfill sensor TB4 terminal, which equals the number of compartments in the tank trailer. If you are using the programming wire provided by Scully, it will be the black wire. In this example, we are programming for a 4-compartment tank trailer and will install a jumper wire from TB4 ground to TB4 terminal 4. Now apply power to the Intellicheck3. Once power is applied, the indicator lights will come on. The indicator lights representing the configured sensors will be flashing, alternating between red and green. The indicator light representing the highest configured sensor, in this case number 4, will flash twice the speed of the Dynacheck indicator light. All remaining sensor indicator lights will be off. Dynacheck indicator light, aux in, permit, and load rack indicator lights will be on. Leave the unit powered up for approximately 10 seconds. Then remove power from the Intellicheck3 and remove the programming jumper. Now we will connect all sensor wiring TB4 according to the 2-wire parallel sensor wiring diagram in the Quick Start Guide or in Section 5 of the manual and turn on the power. When using Scully CAB, first connect the white wire to the ground at TB4. Next, connect the brown wire to overfill sensor position 1. Green wire to overfill sensor position 2. Red wire to overfill position 3. And finally, the yellow wire to overfill position 4. If you have more compartments, follow the wiring diagrams provided. Turn power on. If there are no faults, the correct number of green sensor indicators will be on. The remaining sensor indicators will be off. Dynacheck indicator will be flashing. Permit, aux in, and power will be green, and the load indicator light will be red. If the sensor indicators are not green, check the diagnostic lights and the technical manual for troubleshooting tips.